It's been a long time coming, but Microsoft has implemented a new feature that has been a common request. When you create a new team, one channel is automatically created, and prior to this, that channel was called General and you could not rename it. Now there is a new field in the Created Team dialog box called Name Your First Channel. Notice it is a required entry. You can give this any name you like except General Channel. You would need to provide a name that makes sense for your business process. In this example, I like to have one place where I put all of my notifications and updates. Now you will click on Create, and the rest of the process is the same as it was before, where Microsoft will create the team and then present you with the option to add team members, or you can skip it and add the team members later. If we go to the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see our new team with the first channel called Notifications. I hope you found this quick update useful, and if you did, please click the like button. It really helps the channel out.